What is up, guys? Today I'll be teaching you guys 10 Windows 10 tips and tricks that I have learned through Sorry Patriot, my issues with Windows, and just using Windows for the past however many years. So, without further ado, let's get right into it with number one, and that is snapping windows as well as snapping windows with the Windows key and arrows. So, if you open up a Chrome tab, automatically maximized, you can grab this and snap it left, right, and in the corners. But with Windows plus the arrow keys, you can do this without having to use your mouse at all. You can even put them in the corners wherever you so desire. As soon as you let go of the Windows key, it'll ask you if you want to add your secondary window on the side. But if you hold the Windows key, it won't ask you. And number two, multiple desktops. So you guys have probably heard of multiple desktops, and you can click it right here in task view, and you can go through and pick which desktop you want to be on. But you can also hold Control Windows and hit the right arrow to go to any one of your desktops and left arrow to go back. Number three, opening new windows with middle mouse button. So if you have File Explorer right here, you can click middle mouse button and this will open a new window for you. And this works as many times as you need it to work, as well as with Chrome or with something that isn't already open as well. But once you have all of these windows open, to get rid of them, you don't want to have to go and click minimize and cancel and close. You can just go to the bottom right and click this little button right here, little hidden one, and that will close all open windows. There's another way to do this as well. If you open up some more windows, let's open up the Chrome tabs, more file explorers. Let's put OBS up on here. You can grab OBS and you can shake it, and that'll minimize everything else besides the focused on application. So if I grabbed this Chrome tab and shook it, it'll get rid of OBS. Sometimes you have to shake it vigorously, apparently. And then if you snap it, it'll put it back. And number six is opening up a command prompt wherever you want. So let's go to this PC, C drive, users, local, hashcat 6.0, and we're gonna right here in this little bar, we're gonna type in CMD, and that's gonna open a command prompt right in our hashcat folder, which is amazing. A viewer commented on one of my last videos and told me about this, and I had to try it. So I tried and I typed in this search bar, and that does not give you anything. That just searches for .cmd files. So don't put it in here, put it right here, and that'll open it up. You can also open up PowerShells. If you click File and then Open PowerShell window, it usually works. Let's go to another Open PowerShell window, and that'll open a PowerShell window where you want it to be. And this brings us to number seven. Drag the taskbar wherever you want. So if your taskbar is locked, you're going to make sure to get rid of that little check mark. So click it and get rid of it. Now it's gone. Now you can drag the taskbar to the left, to the top, to the right, or back to the bottom. This is good if you have a Chrome tab open and you click download, and sometimes your downloads are blocked by the taskbar. And on the left side, it's not going to block that because Chrome knows, hey, the taskbar's here, it's taking up space, I can't put a download right there. You can also resize your taskbar. You can make it about half the screen, which is absolutely ridiculous, and no one should ever be allowed to do that, but whatever. You can also do this on the bottom, although it does look very odd, and you can move it around, put the top, and fill up the entire screen. And this brings us to number 8. Open up pinned items on the taskbar. So if you hold down the Windows key plus a number key, so let's say number 1 for a file explorer, or number 2 for a Chrome tab, or number 3 for a Kali Linux window, or 4 for OBS. And that's good just for keyboard shortcut minded people who want to be able to, hey, I need a Chrome tab. Let's open up Windows 2 and close it. For number 9, we have show hidden files and folders. Number 9 and number 10 kind of go together because number 10 is show file types. So we're going to do both of these in the same time. So we type in show hidden files. It'll take you to settings because they got rid of the control panel version. And you can see change settings to show hidden in system files. You're going to click that on, and then you're going to click show settings. This will bring you to the original control panel version, and you're going to click this radio button and click show hidden files, folders, and drives. This will show, let's go find a hidden folder that is, so program data. Program data is a hidden folder, so is sysreset, windows.ws, and Adobe Temp, as well as OneDrive Temp. You can tell they're hidden folders because they are slightly grayed out in the icon, and normal folders have the same saturation. If we go back, we can also uncheck the hide extensions for known file types. So if it's checked, you're not going to see file types, and if it's unchecked, you will see the extensions for those file types. So let's apply that, close it, and let's go find some file types. So if we go to Documents, Adobe Premiere Pro 13.0, we can now see that all of my projects have the .prproj, a file type, which is a tongue twister. You can see some MP4s, XML, and .log, but these are only common file types. So you can see that this one doesn't have a file type, and some other ones aren't going to have file types as well. If you guys like this video, hit like, get subscribed, hit that bell icon if you guys want to see more. My next video will probably be about the Kali Linux subsystem for Windows that I have installed right here. So make sure that you hit that bell icon and get notified by it when I post it. I post Thursdays at 3 p.m. So keep that in your calendar if you want to watch my videos. If you guys did like this video, you know what to do. But I'll see you guys all later.